Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. So kids, as you know, from the workbook we have completed the chapter addition, and now we be in our previous class we have started the math magic book. From math magic book, a trip to Bhopal, this chapter was been started. So to understand you all, first I have solved the workbook ka addition chapter. So now we will solve the next same from math magic book. We will study the chapter a trip to Bhopal. Yes, you know how many students have became ready and again they have cancelled, and there were some mini buses, and we have adjusted the mini buses for the children because big buses were not available. So now what we will know, you know all the journeys and all, isn't it? So now what I will do here, we will study about the trips, how where they gone and how many of them, and what's the time is been taken by them. So till this 500 meters width of that place we have studied till this. So was the Victoria right? Sadaf, I just cannot imagine 500 meters. You know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and yes or no, that you have studied in our previous class. See, look at this. I have told you and explained about 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. This I have explained you all. So now we are going to study about that only. So have you Sadaf, I just cannot imagine 500 meters. Miss Asha, see our bus is about 5 meter long. 5 meter long means 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So 500 centimeters long means 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. Okay, she is telling to imagine how many buses can stand at a time in a line. Have you ever crossed the long bridge? Did you cross any long bridges, kids? Yes. About how many meters long was it? If you pass it, how many meters long that bridge is asking. If you pass the main road highway, NH highway from Nipani to Kolhapur, you can see the bridge, isn't it? From so many others roads also have some bridges. You may have been seen them. Everyone looks down at the river. When the bridge will start, the bridge will move, and below the bridge there will be a water level. So Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. Quite low means nowadays, because in summer days it will be quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge, isn't it? From the bridge it is below 40 meters. They are imagining and telling them. Miss Asha, but in the rainy season the water has risen. Means in the rainy season, if rain starts, the water level in the bridge will increase, will become more. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. So when from the bridge, now how much less, how many meters it is less? Now it is 40 meters below the bridge. But in the rainy season only 15 meters will be the less. What is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the river in the rainy season and now? Means in the rainy season it will be how much less? Only 15 meters it will be less in the rainy season. But now how much it is less? 40. So 40 minus 15. You subtract. Okay, 0 minus 5 you can't You can subtract? No. So here 3, here will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 25 meters. Now 25 meters difference between it is means now 25 meters is less. Now because in the rainy season it will be near 15 meters more. Yes or no? If more it is there means it will. Now the children discuss about the river for some times. While going the trip, the students starts to discuss about the river. Okay, suddenly the bus stops with a jar. Means the bus will stop suddenly. Oh, the petrol pump. 2 buses need to be refilled. In the petrol pump, you have seen how they will refill the petrol or diesel to a vehicles, or now take it as a bus. The bus stands in a line. So in the petrol pump, the bus stands in a line. Children are sticking their neck out to see how the diesel is filled in the bus. See, look at this picture, how the students are sticking out of the windows when they are, what they are doing, when the petrol is filled, they want to see how the petrol is filled into a bus. So they are sticking their neck outside the window to look at the how they fill. So now some children have got down to look more closer, means they will get down from the bus and start become little closer to the man who is filling the petrol or diesel. So now each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill, and there are 2 buses to refill. So one bus takes 15 minutes to fill its petrol tank, but there are 2 buses. So kids, if 2 buses needs one bus needs 15 minutes, same the second bus also needs to fill the diesel. So now how many? So they stop there for about how many minutes they will stop, kids? For one bus 15 minutes and another bus 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 minutes, which means they will be late by about 30 minutes. So they will stand in the petrol pump for 30 minutes. Hey, it's such a big Thambi. It has been already taken 100 liters. Means this has taken the 100 liters. The children are saying. We have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. So kids, now day by day you all are seeing that your parents may be spoken in front of you all, the petrols and diesel rates are going on high. So same way, but in that, when the kids, this story has been created, that time they have that's rates they have mentioned here, but day by day it's a high. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of a diesel. See, this is the rate of 100 liters ka rate, but in this there are given of how many liters, kids? This is of 5 and this is of 1 liter. 1 liter, how much rupees they need? 35. How much rupees they need? 35. But this is of what? Petrol. Yes or no? And this is of diesel. Same way, here also 35 rupees. They need 35 rupees. You know that this is a symbol of rupee. Now, as the buses are being refilled, some people go to a toilet near the petrol pump. In the petrol pumps, there will be a facility of washroom. So, some children will go for the toilet and they will get fresh. How much time did Aman take come out of the toilet? They are telling Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taken to refill. So kids, here one bus takes 15 minutes to refill its tank. So same the way, The Aman has went for toilet for that much time. How much time the one bus takes to fill the petrol? So how much time now? 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So now next one. To Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. When the petrol is filled into the buses, the journey again starts. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Raina, it's a place with a lots of cave painting made by the peoples 10,000 years ago. So kids, Bhimbetka is a place where the ancient peoples has been made the paintings of cave painting 10,000 years ago. Sumanto, 10,000 years means she has shocked. How the 10,000 years? I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. So I cannot think of 1,000 years back. So how the people has been made before 10,000 years ago? She is thinking. Gopi, oh, 1,000 year is a big thing. I cannot even think of 1,000 years. 100 years means 1,000 only she cannot think, and Gopi is telling that I cannot think 100 years back also. Gauri, I can think of 10 years because my father grandmother is 100 years old. His father's grandmother is old of how many years? 100 years. So Gauri can imagine little bit about the 100 years. Manjit, that means those caves are almost 100 grandmothers old. Means they are making now some comedies, or that means 1,000 caves are almost 100 grandmothers old. Everybody burst into a laughter. Ha ha ha. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock. Now what's the time now? 11 o'clock. Now kids are those who have went for the trip, they were thinking of how they can, when they will see the caves and cave painting, when they reach the Bhimbetka. Oh, even 10,000 years ago people made such a lovely painting. That's too on the rock. On the rock, Bhimbetka is a place where we can see the cave and cave paintings, those who have been made 10,000 years ago. So kids, they are very excited, and that also on the made the paintings on the rocks. Shankar, these paintings also have been big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you cannot the deer in the painting. He is telling that I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. Bisons, deer or peoples. Who are more? We will count on the paintings. They are counting. So bisons are, I got 37 bisons. Hey, 117 deers I got. She's telling here. How many more deers are than the bisons? Bisons are how many? 37, and these are 117 minus 37. You will get the how many bisons are, how many deers are more. So 0. Now from 1 you will borrow from another one. 80 deers are more, but Bonamala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. Her count is less than 200. Her count is less than 200. How many people must Bonamala counted? Now see how many bears are there? 117. So okay, but her there are more than togetherly. If you add these both and we can find, but they are more than them also. 117 plus 37 you all make. Okay, means 7 7 14, 4 will be there, 1 will be carry for the next. 1 3 2 and 5 4 154. So more than that, so what will be there? 177. Okay, the guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. The guide, whenever we will go to visit a historical place, there will be some guide persons, they will guide you all about that historical place. So he is telling that there are 600 cave paintings in the painting. Then have spent 1 hour here. They have spent now how much time, kids? 1 hour. What time is it? When they were at 11 o'clock. Now 1 hour more. Means what it will be? Now 12 o'clock. So more 1 hour. They are now moving towards the Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour and about what? 1 o'clock. It will be of, if more than 1 hour means 1 hour, 12 o'clock. Now it's a 12 o'clock, but more 1 hour will be of how much? They should reach there in less than 1 hour at about 1 o'clock. Means less than 1 hour means they are mentioning the time, but now it's already 12 से आगे 1 hour if you add, what will be the 1 o'clock? So they have to reach within a less than 1 hour, and that time is what? Less 1 hour, before 1 hour. Okay, now we will learn this in our next class. So till that, have a nice day, take care kids, and little read this story. Okay, once you all read this story, you will get understanding. Read from first. Okay, thank you kids, have a nice day, take care, we will meet in our next